is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came in a Zen Pop box. Head on over to zenpop.jp and plug in that coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. And today we've got this Shokunin Tantanmen. That looks freaking rad. Unfortunately, so my phone's on the charger, but it was down to 1%, so I can't see what you see, which is really not helpful. But hopefully what you see will be what you need to see. Here's the noodle block. Fancy. High-end stuff here, folks. High-end. For a 4-minuter. And then it's got a powder sachet. I think today maybe we'll go a little bit into that hairy territory that you guys sometimes wince at, and that is politics. But not like hardcore. Oh, peanutty. I hope I'm doing this right. I'm pouring in, I believe, peanut powder into the noodle thing. And this is a liquid one. Generally, liquid ones go in at the end. So, as you can probably surmise, I'm less sick than yesterday. Have a lesser sickness. Just my normal sickness. And, yeah, having a pretty good day. It's nice, because it's like, I got my new shoes on. This is my second day, well, my first real full day of wearing these British UK Gear PT1000 SC. I guess the SC stands for Structured Cushioning. They're like wearing the freaking Walmart shoes, but they're not made like garbage. It's pretty cool. Now, I will say the one thing that's been tough is that the tongues on them want to jam against my, I guess my shins. So, but as more I walk in them, the less that's happening. And they fit really well, but I think maybe I need better socks because they kind of slip around a bit inside the shoe. So I feel kind of callousy. I think I ended up with like about 11 miles. I did 7,000 steps or so this morning in here, and then we did a nice long loop. And then I've been wanting to go to the bike shop here and to see if they have any flashlights. Oh, dude. I got this company called Light in Motion. They make this thing called the Urban 500. I guess there's an Urban 1000. The number has to do with how many lumens the light is, which is brightness. And it's like, I got the 500. I guess it's kind of like $10 per 100 lumens. AKA, it was like $50. I know, you're like, really? You're gonna spend $50 on a little bike flashlight for a stroller? It's a big thing for me. Hey, I get around with it, you know, and it's a big thing. So, yeah. So I'm stoked. And we're gonna be leaving earlier, so it'll be darker, but oh man, you can see this thing in daylight. I mean, it's violently bright. So, got her cookie and drove our stroller on home. She just went down for her nap. So yeah, and we're heading on to 4 minutes. Always, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's see if I can get this thing. It's got 6% charge. Let's see if that's enough. Come on. Hey, there we go. There we go. We're in business. So now I can see what you see. Which, oddly enough, it's really hard to get this camera, even though it's a 360 camera. Maybe it's just me, but yeah, shut up. Yeah, it's just me. But you know, I mean, it's kind of hard getting the thing positioned and all that. Well, yeah, okay, fine. Here's the goo. The goozlem. I'm curious how it's gonna look because that's really dark. And look at that. So I don't know. Now through the magic of stirring, we have, oh my god guys, this really smells good. Guys, peoples, strangers. Hey, strange people watching me cook noodles. This is pretty good stuff, I can tell already. So if you let it sit for a second, watch all the groovy kind of like pops up and coagulates a little bit, comes together, combines. That's kind of a trick when you want to take pictures of stuff like this. Don't like stir it up and then take a picture. You gotta let it kind of finesse and chill. But I'm ready to try it. It sounds good to me. Here, I'll let you watch me put the noodle in my face hole. Cheers. Yes. Yes, indeed. I like that a lot. In fact, that has a nice little bit of spiciness and everything going. I'm gonna call that probably a, yeah. I like this song too. I really don't like a lot of new music. I'm gonna tell you that much right now. I like stuff that takes me, I don't know. I like stuff that's old. There's something about it that just has like something more real to it. I like time-tested music. So I don't have to test it later. Okay. Okay, here we go. Egg. Now, this is the first time I've made eggs in a little while. Well, would you look at that? Oh, and what a mess. I don't know if you can see right here on the edge where it all came up. Yeah, I don't like that. That really makes me unhappy. So I'm gonna have to do some touch-up work for that. With a food cleaning stick. That's what I call this. So what you do is you take a paper towel and you just kind of twist it up. And lo and behold, we have our food cleaning stick. It's a stick for cleaning food. We just go like this. Just kind of rotate it a couple times. You don't want to get it too far down or it'll just smudge everything along. That should be good. The rest I can do up in Photoshop. I can handle it in post. So let's see, we want some mung bean sprouts, which I should have gotten more of at the store. Although I wouldn't be surprised with our local grocer, the way they are, if they expired yesterday and that's all they have. Which really sucks. But what can you do? You know, I really depend a lot on mung bean sprouts. I think you folks probably are well aware that I'm a big fan of the mung bean sprout. And when I don't have mung bean sprouts that are of decent quality, I frickin' flip my lid. I lose my mind. I go out of my gourd. And it's just not a pretty scene. But I think it's time for us to allow myself to stop with the talking and let Rotato take us to that magical place we all love and adore. Yes. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, having a pretty good day, and wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day as well. Have a good one. Bye.